Good morning, children. Hope you all are doing well. So, children, in the previous class, I was continuing with chapter 3. The name of the chapter, that is word processor tabular presentations. In this chapter, we learn how to create or how to design a table, how to insert the text, numbers, and perform various calculations on tables, how we can insert various rows and various columns, even we can delete, how we can merge and split the table cell. So these things we have learned in our previous classes. So children, today we are going to continue this chapter with some different topics. So see today what we are going to do. So our topic is adjusting row height or column width. So today we are going to learn how we can adjust, how we can increase or decrease the height of the row, as well as how we can increase or decrease the width of our columns. So children, see here how I am doing and what changes you can see on the table of Microsoft Word. So see this. So children, see here, first of all we need to open Microsoft Office Word. It is Office, then Microsoft Office Word. So let us create one table. So for creation we have to go to the insert tab, then create table. Let us take 2 columns and 3 row. So now we'll be learning how to adjust the row height as well as column width. So first let us come to the row height. How to increase or decrease or how to adjust the row height. First of all, you need to click on the single cell, or you can even select group of cell together. Okay, say I'll be clicking on the single cell here. Then after that, the up, you have to go to the layout tab. So from the layout tab there is a table group, the first group known as table group. Inside table group we have properties. We'll click that. So once you click on the properties part, you get row, column, cell, everything is available here. So we'll go to the row part. Then specify height. Let us increase this one. Click OK. See, you can see the changes. The row height has been increased. More if you want. See here, the row height has been increased to 1 feet. In the same way we can decrease also. The option is same. You need to click here, then layout, then properties, then row, then specify height. It should be ticked. Now come to the decreasing part. So 0. Back to the default part. We can even do for multiple cell also. For that you need to select the multiple cell, then layout, properties, row. Now specify height. See, we can change or we can adjust the height of row, either single row or multiple row. The difference you have to do is, for single row you need to click on single cell or the cell of that particular row, and for all the row or for multiple row you need to click the cell of multiple row. Okay, so this is the difference you need to do for single row or multiple row. To adjust means you can either increase the row height or you can decrease the row height. So in the same way we can operate for column also. So let us click here in the first cell, then again we'll go to the layout tab only. So from layout tab, properties, from the table group. Then we'll move toward the column part. Preferred width is given, so let us increase this one. See, it has been increased too much, so let us decrease now. Okay, say 1 inch. See, okay, here also the option is same for single column on single cell, for multiple column multiple cell. Now this side, layout, properties, let's decrease this side also. 1 inch. Is this clear, children? Now if both properties, let us increase 2 inch. So now both are affected. So children understood how we can decrease or increase the width of a column. Okay, so this is very important features of Microsoft Word tabular presentation. We can adjust the row height as well as we can adjust the column width. Adjust means either you can increase or you can decrease. So after learning how to adjust row height as well as column width, we'll move toward next topic, that is borders and shading. So in this topic we'll be learning about how to change the border style of Microsoft Word table, as well as we can apply certain color or maybe the pattern inside the cell or table. So when we apply the color or pattern inside the cell of a table, that is known as shading, and the border means the decoration or formatting of outlines, even inner lines of table. So see here how we do this and how we format our table to look more attractive. So see here how we apply border and shading to Microsoft Word table. So first of all we need to open Microsoft Word. The step is same. Okay, so let us create one table. We'll take 3 row 2 columns only. Okay, so let me increase the height of the row. Say that was I guess column, so row, yes, say this much. Okay, now for applying borders, what we have to do is we have to click the cell or select the multiple cell. So we'll click multiple cell only. Then we'll move towards design tab. This design tab. Okay, so in design tab we have to click borders. Borders, you can see a drop down option is there. You need to click that. From there you have to select border and shading options. So when you click on border and shading options, a dialog box appears, which you can see here in the windows. From here you have to select the style, colors and width of the border. So let us select one with style. So let me select this one. Color also we can select it from here. Let us select this color, and even width you can select it. We'll make it this one. Then there's apply to tables, because we are applying to table only. Okay, a text paragraph cell is there, but we'll do for the table part. So we'll click on the OK options. You'll find, see, the table border, the outline, even inner lines, every part has been changed to new color, new style and new width of the borders. So children understood how we have applied border to a table. Okay, it is basically used to format the table so that the table will look attractive. Now in the same way we can apply shading also. Shading means to apply pattern or color inside the table. So here also we can apply to particular cell, particular row or entire table. So let us apply on entire table. So select it, then design tab. In the same way you get the shading options. When you click on the shading option you get multiple color options. See? You can apply a particular color inside the table. See, we have applied this one. So this is known as shading part. Even there are more color also. Individual also you can set, like for this one you can set the individual color. Okay, for different color can be also set like this. Even more colors are available here. If you click this you get more color. So many different types of colors are available which you can apply to the table cell or entire table. So this is known as shading. So shading is also used for formatting the table so that user attract toward what you have designed.